Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5717 Sunset Drive on beautiful Honeoye Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed dream home with 50 feet of lake-level waterfront and million-dollar views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this stunning covered entry. With a mahogany-like, thermal true classic craft arch entry door. With a spacious foyer with beautiful lighting, hardware, and granite-like tile floors, leading to the spectacular great room.
This is a picture-perfect showcase great room straight out of a Coastal Living magazine that embraces open waterfront living with a chic designer's touch. Featuring a white and bright lake-style kitchen with beautiful soft-close Brookhaven cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, Calcutta Laza quartz countertops, a tongue-and-groove wood ceiling with a splash of blue, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Overlooking the waterfront view dining area with a cathedral ceiling and beautiful Mirage maple hardwood floors, leading to a two-story living area with a stunning wood-burning fireplace with a decorative mantel and adjustable TV mount, all with a wall of windows to capture the view and access the covered porch. This is the hallmark of this remarkable home.
Just off the foyer is this very private and elegant first floor primary suite, featuring beautiful hardwood floors and an exceptional designer bath with custom dual sink vanity, spacious shower area, and beautiful tile and lighting. The first floor also features a laundry and powder room, plus easy access to the exterior and the lake.
The stunning design and exceptional space continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms for family and friends, with great closet space and scenic views to wake up to, and a gorgeous bathroom with custom tile work and a double vanity. Plus, a lakeview loft overlooking the great room, with those gorgeous hardwood floors and custom windows to take in the views.
This home was designed with a 2-car attached garage, plus another separate 2-car detached garage with a loft, featuring great storage for your vehicles and waterfront toys.
This is the ultimate in-lake living, perfectly set up for entertaining all year round, with a vaulted ceiling covered porch that becomes screened in with the push of a button. Overlooking the waterfront patio and fire pit, perfect for a front row seat to the fireworks shows and campfire s'mores. An expansive concrete break wall and over 60 feet of dock for your boat, jet skis, and waterfront toys. This is a premium 50-foot lake-level lot with a stone shale bottom, perfect for swimming.
Enjoy a front row seat with million-dollar, or should I say, billion-dollar views. This rare and premium lot has over a half an acre on both sides of Sunset Drive, with an entrance that is all about nature. You could have it all with this Honeoye Lake dream home. This home is located on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Enjoy lake access at nearby beautiful Sandy Bottom Park. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Here we are at Hunt Hollow Ski Club. What a great place to ski! Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5717 Sunset Drive on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!